Hello, class. This video talks a little bit about what's happening in week 15 as well as what is happening in week 16. So right now you're working in week 15. You're finishing up working on Excel chapter 5. And the video for that just got posted. So that's available to you under the week 15 lecture page. And that ought to help you to be able to complete the assignment for this week. I realize that tomorrow, the 25th, Thursday, is Thanksgiving. Make sure that you spend time with your family, enjoy your family, be able to do, all of those sorts of things. The work is going to be due on Sunday, the 28th, as it normally would have been, had it not been a Thanksgiving week. If for some reason you do need a little bit more time, that's okay. Please try to do your best to try to make sure to have everything completed by then if possible. I know that I am a little bit delayed on my grading, and that is one of the projects that hopefully over the next few days and this weekend, hopefully I can get caught up on. I have that. I have something else. Another project that I need to do for the college as well that I need to get done. I had something happen last Friday. Of a personal nature that I don't really believe it's probably appropriate for me to discuss with you, but just know I'm hanging in there. I'm doing okay, but obviously that completely rocked my world. Literally, in a kind of a negative light since late Friday, and just trying to get caught back up again is been kind of a challenge for me. So I appreciate your patience with me, just being kind of kind to me as we continue. So week 16 you will start studying about Microsoft Access. That will open up to you. It's published now, so you might see it when you go to your modules. You'll see it, but it's grayed out right now. That will open up to you, I believe, as of midnight on Friday, the 26th. Now, just a caveat with that for some of you, because some of you maybe are using Apple products, or you're trying to do this with the online version of Office or whatever, just know you're going to have some trouble doing that. So you need to get to an actual laptop, actual desktop computer that is running Microsoft Windows. Okay, so if you're using a Mac that's running Mac OS, you're going to have problems. Now, I know some Macs are set up, and I know mine was when I had a Mac, that I also had Windows on there as well. So if that's the case, you're fine. Or if you have Office and you're running it under Parallels or something else, or VM Fusion or something, then that's fine. But if not, you need to try to get to a Windows computer. So that might be from a friend, that might be from a family member, that might be that you need to actually come in to Merced College and work. I understand right now, for some of you, it's difficult because you're not local, or because of, some of you are still maybe concerned, maybe because of the COVID situation and stuff. And I will say that the college, they are asking people when they're inside to still be masking and everything. So, and they're still cleaning, I'm sure, and everything. So you should be able to feel safe, I would think, visiting campus, because they are still, taking those protocols and those precautions. And in the library, we do have computers available that do have Office. The only thing is they might possibly still have Office 16. But again, everything ought to be very much the same. You should be able to do everything. If for some reason, if that's what you had to do is go into the library and it was something that you honestly could not do, please let me know. So I don't, and then I can take that into consideration. Okay, I don't want to count that against you, but I'm pretty sure that you should be able to do everything that we're supposed to do with Access. Okay, but just know you do need to use a Windows machine, or if you're using a Windows machine, you need to use the desktop version of the software. Okay, not the online version from your portal. Okay, from the web. So next week, what you'll be learning is you'll be learning how to identify the elements of a Microsoft Access database. You'll also learn how to use the navigation pane to open, organize, and view database objects. You'll be able to understand and view table relationships. You'll be able to understand database object views. navigate records and tables and forms, create new records, enter, edit, find, sort, and move data in tables and forms, delete records and tables and forms, rename and delete database objects, preview and print database objects, perform a backup, start a new database, and use the compact and repair tool. So that's what you will be doing. And then I'll talk to you later about what assignments that you'll have, okay? So you'll talk about chapter 1 during week 16. During week 17, you will be doing chapter 2, and then we're kind of doing a combined for the finals week. And I'll probably open up that final module to you a little bit before, so maybe after like midway through week 17, or at the beginning of week 17, or maybe even next week, I'll open it up for you. I don't want you to race through the course and try to finish, in a hurry, but I want you to make sure that you do have enough time to be able to complete the course. I appreciate each and every single one of you. You're hanging in there. I know this has been kind of a rough semester, and for some of you, maybe this is your first online class, and so it's just one of those things. And so it's taken some time to get, used to, okay, I have to be disciplined enough because I don't have a teacher that I'm seeing seeing in class, and I don't have, his help one-on-one to be able to help. I mean, normally if we were in a lab, I could come up to you and assist you. Obviously, unfortunately, that wasn't an option this time. Okay, but I appreciate your patience with me to try to do this, and hopefully this has been a really good experience, okay? And I'd be interested for your feedback to know, kind of, was there something that wasn't right or something that you want different or whatever. I would appreciate that feedback. So have a great Thanksgiving. Have a good holiday. Be safe out there. Lots of people on the road, and of course, a lot of people drinking and driving. Just be safe there. And of course, safe with the COVID situation too. I mean, not much we can do about that piece of it as well, but just be safe out there, and I'll see you guys virtually next week.